Hi, welcome to Facts and Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to use the sampler with Bandpass. So, let's go open up Bandpass, shall we? Yeah. Let me exit out of this. Exit. Now let's add a new project. So click this button. Then we're going to name the project and choose the project configuration. Let's do 5 out of 4. I recommend that one, but you can do any one you like. So, let's see. So let's get to the sampler, shall we? So click one of these buttons in the instrument selector. And let's play around with the settings. The trim, we can play. So the trim is right here. You can move these buttons around. And there's a tone and pitch. Ooh, it's amazing. Or you can attach an MDI MIDI device. Ooh, let's see, what does that button do? Ooh, and I can like go to here. Where like the filters, I think. I don't know what it is, but you can play with these settings if you like. So yeah, let's see. And you can do the piano if you'd like to. You just click on it. Piano right here. And once you're done creating a tune, it's like you can just hit your back. When you're done creating a tune, just press the back button on your phone and click these to like add a tune, and press this button to end it, and click the back button on your phone. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video, and comment down below what video you want me to do next. See ya. Bye.